up?
What's up?
How are you?
I'm good. How are you? Long
Very well.
time.
Long time. So, how's your quarantine life going on?
चल रही है, कट रही है.
So,
It's
what?
like when it started, we are like, okay, let's do this and let's do this. And of course, जिस तरह से situation है, the extension is not going to be easy on anybody. But जो करना है वो तो करना है. So yeah.
So, how's your normal day like?
Well, my day is filled with cleaning. तो मतलब it's like खत्म ही नहीं होती यार. I don't know how our mothers do it. I
Right.
don't know how the maids do it. There's so much to do, and so that, and of course there's workout, and first thing I do is I work out in the morning itself because बाद में you become lazy and you don't want to do it. And then the breakfast, खाना वाना बनाना जो भी है, and then cleaning, and then there's so many interviews happening on a day-to-day basis. So
Right.
there's not so much time actually. It just
Which
flies
is, I
by.
think, which is always a good thing.
Yeah, I
And
guess especially in these quarantine times, I think it's a good thing. Yeah.
right. So, four more shorts, please, is coming up, the second season.
Mm-hmm.
I've seen a couple of episodes. I've seen the first two episodes.
Why just a couple of them? You didn't see the whole
That's
thing.
what. That's what they sent me.
That's what sent to you. Okay.
Yeah. So I saw the
I
first
haven't
one.
seen anything, so you know more than I do.
Acha, you haven't seen. Okay. So I think your track is having some very interesting shifts. There's more perspective in your character's life, and I think the interesting part is that with your ex-husband, the way the sort of closure that was important for you, that is coming along.
Well, you don't know what's coming up in the rest of the series.
Acha, we
Yeah.
don't know what's coming out. Okay, that's interesting.
Yeah,
That's interesting.
it's,
Okay, but
see the हाँ Farid, तुम बोलो.
would you call it as one of your maybe best performances, a very, I think, complicated role, a bold role, and a very well-rounded role as well.
I personally wouldn't want to call it my best performance.
One of your best.
But I understand that it can seem like my best performance because it's a series, because it's a full-fledged character that's carved out not just over one season but two seasons. So you get to see a lot more of the character. You get to do a lot more as an actor. जब आपके पास इतना कुछ लिखा हुआ है, इतना कुछ करने को है, then आप बहुत इत्मीनान से you are progressing from one scene to another, and you are able to explore all the layering and depth की जो हम बात करते हैं, you are able to explore that, and the audiences is able to see that, and that's why it seems like it could be my best performance or something. But I think I have done some equally complex roles. And in fact, मुझे तो लगता है कि जितना कम टाइम आपके पास होता है और उतने कम टाइम में आप जितनी खूबसूरती से कोई कैरेक्टर को दिखा पाते हो, that is much tougher to do than doing a role over like episodes of episodes. So मेरा personally वो मानना है.
All right, so there is a lot more freedom when it comes to the web space, the OTT space, the season one as well. The way your character has been portrayed, there's a lot of free-spirited element into that, and you can go the distance in terms of expressing yourself, especially physically, with your partner, which maybe that liberty maybe is not there in the movies. Do you find that in a way fascinating? Do you find that it gives a more realistic scope for you as a performer?
Absolutely. I think as a performer, what you need is very well written characters, well written stories. There's and an execution that that actually does justice to the writing. Execution is equally important. So yes, OTT as an overall, जो इसके the way it operates, it is allowing much more creative freedom to everybody involved. and as an actor, it's very, very important, because that's when you really blossom. That's when you really flower as an artist. You know, when you have the complete freedom, which is what OTT offers. So yes, whether it's the bold scenes or the sex scenes or otherwise, there is so much to, as I said, there's so much to explore in OTT that you really, because that's what you eventually want as an artist, you know, and OTT provides you that. I mean, with Bollywood, a lot of things become about censorship. Everything, a lot of things, you know, revolve around censorship. So it's not, the envelope is not pushed, you know, enough. And I think we as a country, we as a society have just become very comfortable with, you know, कि इतना ही दिखाते हैं, इतना ही देखते हैं, you know, and so much so that हमें लगता है वही सच्चाई है. So now when OTT has taken over and you're watching content not just from India but all over the world, I'm glad that OTT has reached the people, you know, reached people in a way that it's no more, you know, in a box. You are able to see so much more, and you're able to understand and accept the fact that reality बहुत कहीं ज्यादा है, you know, हम उसको बहुत ऐसे शुगर कोट करके दिखाते हैं, and that's what we are used to. But I personally feel as an artist, as an actor, that it's high time we kind of show things for what they are. And this is something I strongly believe, Faridun, that reality is so much more, it's so much stranger than fiction. हम जो फिर भी दिखाते हैं, if you really are somebody who's open to life and the reality of it all around you, you will be shocked at the kind of things you see, you know. हम लोग फिर भी उसको, you know, smooth out करके थोड़ा सा palatable हो, हम वो सब करने के बाद आपको दिखाते हैं. So it's really time to kind of just open up to how things are, how the world really is, you know, and not just live in a bubble of ऐसा होता है, फिर, you know, लोग सेक्स कहाँ करते हैं. I mean, ये बात in the sense that I don't know लोगों को इतना बड़ा धक्का क्यों लगता है सेक्स सीन्स को देख के. Like it's almost like, oh, सेक्स क्या होता है. I mean, come on guys, like कब तक हम लोग खुद को बेवकूफ बनाएंगे, you know. So it's there's a lot of stuff like that.
You know, I really like the first season of Four More Shots, Please, and so I kept on hearing certain comments about the first season that there are a lot of bold scenes, and there's a lot of titillation at times, and even the language it can be quite bold as well. So my argument to that was that if everything is falling into a context, if everything is part of a certain world, then I think on an organic level it seems fine. You don't have to really judge things in isolation, because the moment you start judging things in isolation, then you might as well not watch something, especially when you're watching something at your own discretion. So that is something that really appealed to me. And I also noticed a few of the men, they had certain issues with women being so confident of their sexuality and talking the language that they spoke. So I think it's also important to accept women the way they are, rather than expecting them to behave in the manner that men want them to behave. And then it is not really going all out in terms of feminism per se, which at times it can be very aggressive as well at times. So it is not falling into that space either. Do you feel that the fact that the first season especially, there is a lot of balance in a way, the way the story was told, there's a lot of realism. Do you think that is one of the reasons for its success?
Absolutely. You know, I think you're very right. If whatever you're watching, if you do not enter the world that they are trying to show, it could be any world. और अगर आप चीजों को आइसोलेशन में जज करेंगे, तो of course you're not doing justice to what you're watching, first of all, and secondly you're just fooling yourself. You're just there to, like, you know, pick and pick and just crib about things that are not right. And it's imagine how I mean, that's what I'm saying. These things I don't understand. Why do I think this show was a big success because I think I'll give most of the credit to women out there, to the girls and women out there,
Right.
because they are the ones who have watched the show and been like amazed at the way these girls are, wherever they are, wherever the audience चाहे कहीं की भी हो, बॉम्बे की हो, छोटे शहरों की हो, कहीं भी हो, वो जिस भी लेवल है, जो भी उनकी दुनिया है, they have the show has opened up something for them, a possibility of ऐसा भी हो सकता है, it's very inspiring, it's very aspiring as well. अगर आप या तो आप inspire हो सकते हैं या आप you can try and aspire to be like these women, जो भी उनकी qualities या traits हैं जिनसे आप connect कर पा रहे हैं. So there is so much, and I think it's so liberating for a woman sitting in a small town and watching us just be ourselves, whatever that is. And they feel so liberated, it's almost like they are living through us. So this is the reason why the show has connected so well with people, and there are a lot of men as well who have really enjoyed the show, and for different reasons, and for the right reasons also, But so I don't really. I mean, when we set out to do the show, it was a very bold show, and when I say bold show, I am again not talking about the sex scenes. Okay. I'm sorry, but जितनी मतलब जितना लोगों को देख के ऐसे शॉक होता है कि अरे बाप रे ये कैसे कर लिया, as an actor we look at it as an actor, so we are not like, oh, or you cannot, you have to be very neutral about things. You have to do what you have to do to be that character, to tell the story that you have been asked to do. You can choose to be a part of it, or choose not to be a part of it. But if you are choosing to be a part of it, then everything comes with it. And that's how we look at it. So I'm saying that the show was a bold show from the very beginning, from the concept level, because it's talking about a lot of things, as I was mentioning, that we are not ready to talk about as a society, that we have just, shut our eyes to, कि ऐसा नहीं होता होगा, ऐसा नहीं होता. So there are a lot of things, and that's why, again, women, why won't women want to see such, जो उनकी दिल की बातें हैं, जो उनकी desires हैं, जो उनकी secret wants हैं, जो वो अपने लिए चाहती हैं, why wouldn't they see something like that on screen and feel so good about it? Because जो भी हम issues की बात कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो season 1 हो या season 2 हो, these are very universal issues. The emotions that the women are going through in the show, they are very universal, and that's what connects everybody. And that's one thing. That's exactly why I wanted to be a part of it, because I'm like, ये चीजें बोलनी जरूरी हैं अभी. It's high time. So I was more than ready to just be a part of. It almost feels like a movement to me. जो हम एक तरह का revolution मुझे feel होता है when I came on board. I've done season 1, I've done season 2. I just feel more and more convinced about doing this, because while there are people criticizing it, the percentage is very less compared to the good things that people are taking from this. And again, especially women and girls out there. And I think for them, we just need to keep doing this.
All right. So, Kirti, we've known each other for quite some time now, and the interesting part, as far as you as an actor, especially after Pink, I personally feel, and we've spoken about that in the past as well, that you try and bring in a certain psychological perspective to your portrayals. I think all your performances. And that is something which is very interesting. And I have a personal feeling that you also bring in certain of your own personality. I think certain of your own experiences that you've gone through. I think all of us, we go through certain experiences at a psychological level. And you also try and bring that out in your performances. Is that right?
Well, firstly, Faridun, I think if I call myself an actor, I think bringing the psychological or the emotional quotient to my characters is the least that I need to do, you know. So I personally feel that जो मैं कर रही हूँ वो बहुत बेसिक चीजें कर रही हूँ in the sense, you know. Yes, and when you talk about my own personal experiences, my own personality, yes, I am not separate from my characters in the sense that there is always an exchange happening between me and my characters. There is something of me that goes into it. There are some things from the character that I take, and that's the process. That's the whole process of creating something, or the reason why I want to be an actor. Because every time I play a new character, I go into their world, you know, and I see things from their perspective, you know, and that's what also makes you more empathetic. It's like being in someone else's shoes, you know. It's a great quality to have जब आप अपने आप में नहीं limited हैं, but आप लोगों के point of view समझ सकते हैं, and that's exactly what acting helps me do, you know. Every time I pick a new character, and that's exactly why I do this. So yes, everything that I have experienced in my life, of course, comes to use. That's my what do you say? मेरी पूंजी वो है. As an actor, मेरी पूंजी मेरे जिंदगी के experiences हैं. और अगर मैं उसको something like acting मैंने use करूँगी तो क्या करूँगी? In fact, I personally feel that आप as an actor, as an artist, आप थिएटर में या जो ट्रेनिंग लेते हैं वो अलग बात है, बट आपकी जो गहराई है एज एन एक्टर, आप जो आपकी डेप्थ आपके काम में दिखती है, दैट actually only comes from how much you have experienced life and how sensitively and closely have you experienced life. And of course, there are things that I haven't experienced as a lot of my characters, but that's my job, in the sense that that's the whole point, that I can be someone without having actually gone through that experience also. So while it helps to bring your own experiences, and they always come handy, I think I am now very consciously entering into worlds or characters जिनके दुनिया मुझसे बहुत अलग है, and I think that's the next step. मैं कब तक that's the whole point, मैं कब तक वही रोल करूं जिसमें जो मुझे comfortable लगते हैं, या I mean I'm trying to push it with every role that I do, every character that I play, but now it's almost like I want to enter worlds which are absolutely alien to me, because one thing I've understood is, as a human being, again talking about emotions, they are the same everywhere. The motivations, what drives you, वो चुनी गिनी चुनी चीजें हैं. आप उसमें एक, they're all in one box. You just have to pick and choose and create a new character. So while the worlds are alien to me, people are same everywhere, and that makes my job. If I understand this about acting, then I will have no problems playing anything. You know.
Right. Okay. So you also have this this image of being this cerebral actor, that you bring out a certain side to your characters. Most of them, the ones that you've done so far. But in a way, Four More Shots Please has also given you this this scope for bringing out this tongue-in-cheek sense of humor of yours, of being naughty in conversations. We discovered that in the rapid fire that we did before.
You are not doing another rapid fire with me. You put me in a lot of trouble.
So today, no, but I think it was hilarious. It was very funny. It was very funny. So is that a side of your personality that that Four More Shots Please has helped you discover as well?
Yes, I would like to believe that. I mean, I'd see, firstly, I don't think, you know, the way I look at people, Faridun, is not like कि ये ऐसा है तो ये ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. you know, the whole point of हम जब layering की बात करते हैं या जब हम किसी performance की बात करते हैं और ये शब्द बहुत यूज होता है कि बहुत layered किया है. अब layered क्या होता है? अभी even when you look at yourself in real life, Faridun is a certain way right now in front of me, but there's another side to you, and another side to you, and another side to you.
I
आप
think
उस
all of
side को exactly. So I'm saying that's the most basic thing. So yes, as an actor again, what I'm trying to do is find those sides to me through the work I do. You know, so that's why I said sometimes you already have some of the traits that the character has, and sometimes you need to explore those things in you. You know. So yes, I mean I have been known as a serious actor for a while now because of the kind of work I do. But people who understand acting, people who get it, they can see beyond what I have already done. They can also see कि ये और क्या कर सकती है, you know. And honestly those are the kind of people I would like to work with, because I don't want you to pick me and say कि अच्छा ये तुम ये कर लो because तुम इसमें अच्छी हो. जो मैं जिसमें अच्छी हूँ और मैं जो कर चुकी हूँ वो मुझे दोबारा करना ही नहीं है. The whole point is to do something else. So FOMO shots for sure in a lot of ways has I also have had this very non-glamorous image, you know, and FOMO shots has also changed that a lot for me. Now the thing is, these are things that I was to some extent aware कि मुझ में है. Like I may not go out there and keep, you know, showcasing it कि देखो देखो मैं I have this side also, that side also. I will never do that. But the producers had the vision in them to see, you know what, she can do this and she can do that or whatever. And yes, FOMO Shots has completely brought this side out of me for the audiences mainly. That, oh, she can do this as well, which is again adding to, I think, my array of acting that I've, you know, different roles that I have done. So it's the show is fun. The whole vibe of the show is fun. Even if there is drama, it's all dealt with in a very, you know, in a very non-serious, fun way, and you know, you just move on from there. And I think it's a great. I'm glad that I chose the show and I became a part of it, because it's great to balance out the rest of the work that I do. You know. So,
absolutely. Okay, so on the lighter on a lighter note, let me ask you a rapid fire question since you already asked for it. So, Kriti Kulari, what are the advantages or disadvantages of dating a younger man?
Oh, what are the, okay, let's talk about the advantages.
Right.
You mostly know more than him. Like you seem like the more mature one. You may not be, but you can be perceived as being the more mature one, the wiser one, and he will take you seriously. You could also be, I mean, it's not necessary, depends on the person, but you could also be better in bed, you know, and you could teach him a few things. And what else? You can boss around a bit. I think that's women anyway like to control. You know, they like to be the bosses. So
right.
It totally works in their favor. Talking about disadvantages,
right.
I think it can be, you can lose your patience very quickly, because generally if someone is younger to you, a man or a woman, they can be perceived as less mature than you are. So it can get you can get sometimes a little impatient trying to make them see things from your perspective. Secondly, they may not take, I think they may not take the responsibilities as seriously as you do, you know, just because you have seen more life and you have, you know, gone through a few things and all of that. And what else? Yeah, I think pretty much that, yeah.
So I think it seems that you're very keen for a full-fledged rapid fire, but we'll move on. We'll take fan questions. This is Tushar Bhatt, yeah. 22, you got amazing voice, Kirti, so soothing, without any background music. Just love listening to your voice. Keep it up.
Thank you.
Okay. Well said. Okay, so Surbhi Mishra, please talk about books.
Talk about books.
Yeah.
फरीदन तुमने गड़बड़ कर दिया मुझे सेरिब्रल एक्टर बुला के अब पीपल विल बी लाइक ये तो बहुत मतलब बुक्स बुक्स तो जरूर पढ़ती होगी ये ऐसे इंप्रेशंस क्यों क्रिएट करते हो यार
नहीं, but
well I do I do like reading and thankfully the one of the things that I have gotten back to during lockdown is reading क्योंकि with all the OTT coming in मतलब books से नाता ही छूट गया था currently I'm reading two books guys there is one called Close to the Bone which is an autobiography of Lisa Ray, who's also a part of my show. And I'm reading another book called Thousand Seeds of Joy, जिसमें Lakshmi Ma or Saraswati Ma की teachings हैं. So these two books I'm currently reading, and I think I enjoy reading more non-fiction than fiction. But I have really enjoyed reading Shwan Singh. I think he's the only Indian writer that I've kind of read actually. No, not the only one. I mean, I've read other spiritual books and stuff, but fiction में उन्हीं का काम मैंने पढ़ा है और मुझे बहुत मजा आया उनका काम पढ़. So yeah.
interesting. Siddharth Mangtani, Love at First Sight. That's Kirti for me.
Oh, sweet. Thank you. Thank you.
Harish Korasia is saying, "Hi, ma'am, big fan, man, ma'am, love you." Ishi
Thank
Kaur is
you.
saying, I love 4 more shots, please."
I'm glad.
Okay, and HK Mehta is saying, "Love the show. HK waiting for season 2."
Me too. 2 days to go.
Stan the Showmaker is saying, "How's the Josh?"
Josh is very high. Lockdown से थोड़ा ठंडा पड़ गया है, but still very high.
Shivang Kushwaha is running now in Satna MP. No. You sing very well. Someone is saying you sing very well.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, this is Vijeta. Love from Churu. Great job. Never stop for forward. And Datta is saying, Kriti, kal first season dekha. You will not believe it. Okay.
Thank you for watching.
I love. Give me 4 more shoes. This is Pooja is saying that. Sahu Ambar is saying, I love your work.
Thank you.
Okay, it's so funny. Click and share is saying, do the web series need to have sex and bad language to be successful?
Sorry, what?
Do the web series need to have sex and bad language to be
No,
successful?
they don't. No, they don't. But one also doesn't need to criticize bad language being used in the show and sex being used in the show for the purpose of creating the world that the makers are trying to create.
Right.
So they're both things too.
Right. So Nilesh 007, superb work in Mission Mangal and Pink, Kirti Kulari.
Thank you.
How important has 2019 been in your career?
I guess very important from the standpoint of people seeing more of my work and me becoming more of a household name than being like a niche, like not many people. I've reached the houses of all India all over with Mission Mangal and Uri, and
Right.
it feels amazing that both these films have done so well, and they're both celebrating India, and what we are capable of. And I love that. I love that that spirit has been passed on to people who watched it. And of course, there was Bout of Blood and there was 4 More Shots, Please. So it was a very good year. Yeah, it's given me lots of recognition and lots of good work. Yeah.
Absolutely. Okay, a lot of people are requesting if you can please sing a few lines.
Arey yaar. What do I sing?
Someone is asking Dil Se.
Sorry?
Dil Se, Dil Se.
It's a very tough song, guys. Please take it easy on me. Okay. Oh God, I get like frozen.
Anything that comes to your mind.
ओ मेरी बाहों से निकल के तू अगर मेरे रास्ते से हट जाएगा तो लहरा के बल खा के मेरा साया तेरे तन से लिपट जाएगा तुम छुड़ाओ लाख दामन छोड़ते हैं कब ये अरमां कि मैं भी साथ रहूंगी सदा ओ मेरे सोना रे सोना रे सोना रे दे दूंगी जान जुदा मत होना रे.
Fantastic, fantastic. Let's quickly take a few more questions. This is Gaurav Prapti. Favorite song of Four More Shots season 2.
मैंने सुने ही नहीं है यार. I'm so sorry. मैंने actually playlist
Season 1. Do you have a favorite in season 1?
I don't remember.
They are more situational. Even I think season 2 maybe whatever.
Exactly, you know, when you listen to it during the show, it's more background now.
Yeah.
So इतना ध्यान नहीं जाता उसके ऊपर. But I think
good.
there's a song called I don't believe in love anymore. Something like I don't do love anymore. I think that's a beautiful song.
Yeah. Bonus Spoiler saying lots of love from London. Pirates is saying fitness motivation.
Sorry?
Your fitness motivation. What is your fitness motivation?
I think my fitness motivation is just I truly realize health is wealth, you know, because the days that I'm not feeling well, I feel like it's the end of the world. And so for me, health is very important. I am not somebody who's, of course, I would want to look great and all of that, but a bigger motivation is health, to really feel healthy. And not just physically, but mentally and emotionally as well, because I think anyway that's important for all of us to be healthy in every which way. But I think as an actor also, considering the kind of work we do, the more balanced and centered you are and you feel healthy in all these ways, you can do a much better job, you know, as an actor.
Mishra.ambus, hi Kirti, you are very beautiful. So which compliment do you like more, Kirti? The compliments for your beauty or the compliments for your cerebral approach?
They're all equal for me, because like, I mean, everyone likes compliments, all kinds of compliments. So yeah, there was a time that I would be like, you know, take me seriously, you know, call me intelligent and, you know, not beautiful, because intelligent to mera diya hua hai, beautiful to Bhagwan ka diya hua hai. But today, honestly, where I am, the way I understand things, everything is great and it's gifted from God. And I take being called beautiful or intelligent or anything else equally. And yeah, and I think that's a good place to be in. So there's no difference for me between that.
Right. So we'll take one last comment. This is, and I think, you know, you should give out some positivity to this one. This is Milan Singh from who's saying lots of love from NYC. So as we all know, New York has been badly hit. So, and he's watching you live right now. And these guys need all the prayers in the world right now, right?
Yes, yes, I think US has been very, very badly hit, and which is such a surprise considering, you know, considering everything, and they being the biggest country in the world and all of that. And I mean, what do I say to that? Yeah, I think our prayers are with you guys. They're sending good vibes from all over the world your way, and I hope. I mean, you guys are doing what you need to do. You know, sitting here, I can't advise you on do this, do that. Of course not. But yeah, sending you good vibes and positive energy, and hoping that the whole world heals and recovers from this coronavirus very, very soon.
Very, very soon. All right. On that note, Kirti, thank you very much for joining us on Bollywood Hungama, and all the best wishes for 4 more shots, please. Season 2. I think there is quite a bit of interesting stuff that your fans will look forward to. There's a very interesting graph that your character is having. So congratulations for the performance in that, and all the best wishes. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Faridun. It's always a pleasure. And do watch the whole season and message me.
I'll do that for sure. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone, for watching. Stay home and stay safe. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.